Emma is a hyper-realistic humanoid robot made by the company AITEC, designed to be a personal companion. This robot can adjust to the user's tastes and interests. Because Emma has artificial intelligence built right in, she can learn from interactions and develop a more accurate and customized approach to each user over time. Emma's exterior is meticulously made to mimic a real person. Her skin seems lifelike and delicate to the touch, since she is constructed from a modified thermoplastic elastomer. The robot has a heating mechanism that keeps its body temperature almost exactly like a human's. Emma has movable eyes that can track objects and blink. Her mouth is equipped with mechanisms that synchronize lip movements with speech, allowing her to produce various facial expressions. The robot's neck is also movable, and she can turn towards sounds, automatically directing her head toward the source of the voice. Here is one of the most unusual robotic sculptures created in recent times. Body sculpture by Jordan Wolfson is a cube that interacts with its surroundings through mechanical movements, controlled by a robotic arm known as the gripper. This work explores the intersection of humanity and technology, raising questions about the boundaries between the organic and the artificial. This piece avoids direct interaction with people and instead focuses on repetitive, precisely calculated movements. The robotic elements perform a mix of delicate gestures and sharp, aggressive actions, such as striking the structure with chains, emphasizing the tension and fragility of the installation. Wolfson is known for using animatronics to explore unsettling themes related to American culture. Wolfson's works are often described as commentary on social anxieties and technological intrusions, which is evident in the combination of elegance and brutality in this sculpture. The well-known robot nurse named Grace continues to improve thanks to the rapid development of artificial intelligence. Grace was developed as a companion for elderly patients in nursing care facilities. Her primary function is to alleviate loneliness and enhance the mental well-being of patients by interacting with them and providing various mood-lifting activities, such as conversational therapy and guided meditation. For example, she can listen to the life stories of the elderly, record them, and share them with others, or help patients connect with their families using digital technologies. Grace can also perform basic health checks, such as measuring a patient's temperature, pulse, and blood pressure, and relay this information to healthcare professionals. Her advanced AI systems also assist doctors and nurses in making more accurate diagnoses, particularly in cases of neurodegenerative diseases. In some significant ways, she is one of the most empathetic humanoid devices ever created. Each of us would appreciate an extra pair of hands in the kitchen to share the burdens of meticulous and routine tasks that are essential for preparing any dish. Samsung Bot Chef is an AI-powered assistant chef, a cobot or collaborative robot designed to be easy to use and versatile. With a futuristic design and advanced mechatronics, Bot Chef is optimized for kitchen use and can perform a wide range of culinary tasks, from chopping and whisking to pouring and peeling. The robot is equipped with advanced internal and external sensors, along with an AI-based planning algorithm, ensuring safe interaction between the machine and humans. Users can control the robotic arm using simple and intuitive voice commands. As of today, the company Neurobotics created one of the most popular Russian robots named Pushkin. The face of this anthropomorphic robot was meticulously modeled using photographs, self-portraits, and the poet's death mask, allowing for a high level of accuracy in capturing his appearance and facial expressions. The Pushkin robot has a wide range of functions, including the ability to recite poetry, engage in conversations, tell jokes, and even deliver toast. His facial expressions are controlled by 18 servo motors, ensuring smooth and natural movements of the face. Moreover, the robot is actively used at various cultural and educational events, such as science and robotics festivals, exhibitions, and tours. Here is one of the most unusual underwater robots named Spy Shark, which is a high-tech device designed for underwater surveillance, aimed at studying marine environments and discreetly monitoring marine creatures. The robot is designed to mimic the appearance of a shark, which helps it blend into its surroundings and reduces the likelihood of being detected by marine life. Its key feature is a 360-degree viewing system, allowing it to capture the surrounding environment in high detail, providing high-quality video from various angles. This is especially important for observing the natural behavior of marine species. The robot is equipped with highly sensitive sensors, HD cameras, and artificial intelligence that controls its movements and navigation. American engineers from RE2 Robotics have developed a unique robotic system called the Highly Dexterous Manipulation System, which represents a significant breakthrough in the field of robotics. This system consists of two manipulative arms and a mobile torso. Initially designed for military purposes, such as bomb disposal, HDMS quickly found applications in other fields. For instance, it can perform various tasks, such as assembling parts, handling tools, working in confined spaces, and performing actions that require high precision, such as soldering and assembling electronics. One of the main features of HDMS is its ability to mimic human movements with incredible accuracy. The robot can carry out tasks that require fine motor skills and coordination, such as assembling complex mechanisms, working with electronics, or even preparing beverages. The Japanese company Axariel, in collaboration with researchers from Keio University, has developed an innovative next-generation project called Slide Fusion Surrogacy Wheelchair. With the use of anthropomorphic components, like two movable arms and a 3-axis robotic head module, an operator can communicate with the wheelchair user using Slide Fusion, a remote-controlled wheelchair system. This system's primary feature is its eye-tracking technology, which allows for control and interaction without the use of hands or spoken language. Slide Fusion's use is made as safe and comfortable as possible by the inclusion of safety features like collision prevention and system balancing. In order to provide the user with more effective support in difficult situations, the system additionally enables the operator to receive information regarding events occurring outside the user's field of vision. Which of the robots in this video is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. The unveiling of the most beautiful hyper-realistic female robot has undoubtedly shocked and captivated the world, setting a new benchmark in the realm of robotics and artificial intelligence. This remarkable achievement represents not just a technological marvel, but also a profound moment in our collective journey towards creating machines that closely mirror human form and function. As we stand on the cusp of this groundbreaking advancement, several key reflections emerge. Technological achievement. The creation of such a hyper-realistic robot underscores the tremendous strides made in robotics and artificial intelligence. The meticulous attention to detail, from lifelike skin textures to expressive facial features, showcases the peak of human ingenuity and craftsmanship. This level of realism not only enhances the robot's ability to interact seamlessly with humans, but also challenges our perceptions of what machines can achieve. Implications for human-robot interaction. The introduction of this hyper-realistic female robot marks a significant shift in human-robot interaction. By blurring the lines between human and machine, it opens up new possibilities for how we integrate robots into our lives. Whether in personal companionship, customer service, or therapeutic roles, the robot's advanced capabilities promise to enrich interactions and offer new forms of engagement. In summary, the most beautiful hyper-realistic female robot represents a milestone in the evolution of robotics, combining aesthetic excellence with cutting-edge technology. This moment in history invites us to explore the dynamic relationship between humans and machines, paving the way for future advancements that will continue to shape our world.